Welcome to Soul Affirmed. I will say an affirmation, and as you repeat these silently or out loud, your brain creates new neural pathways with intention. Take a breath and let's begin. I am breaking patterns that were passed down to me. I no longer accept behavior that harms me. My boundaries are valid, necessary, and loving. Distance is not disrespect. I am allowed to redefine family. I can heal without reconciliation. I honor my story without shame. I am not responsible for others' denial. I choose clarity over confusion. I honor the strength it took to break unhealthy cycles. I release the guilt that was never mine to hold. I send compassion to my inner child who deserved better. I trust my inner wisdom. My chosen family is just as real and valuable as any other family. I release the outcome and embrace my own peace. My feelings are real, and I don't have to justify them to anyone. I release the responsibility of fixing people who refuse to change. I am not broken, I am becoming. If this resonated, give it a like, subscribe, and share the positivity. Soul Affirmed is here for all seasons of your life, anytime, every day.